It is a good Friday because today we're going to be able to claim our Nodepay Airdrop. So I'm gonna go show you all in this video. So stay tuned and make sure to leave a like if you have received the Nodepay Airdrop. And we're going to jump straight onto the laptop. First thing that I want to talk about is the snapshot of the so value, which we have talked about it. I got 100 million points. Let me know your total allocation down in the comments below. And they have the first snapshot. Airdrop is coming. We knew it. I hope you did follow. Now, when it comes to free airdrops, there's many, and my favorite one as of right now, I'm not gonna spend too much time in it, is the tap to earn the Unich airdrop. All you gotta do through the link down below, you will be redirected over here and simply click here, tap and earn. As you see, I am earning the points, and this will be the airdrop allocation, as well as collecting points by following them on Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. So this is what it's going to be. These are very straightforward. Join, tap to earn, let it run for 24 hours. Every 24 hours, come here, do the missions, and you're good to go. Simple as that. This is going to be an exchange, which we've seen it with Hyperliquid. We've seen it with also GRVT is doing a great, phenomenal thing. So definitely something to go and figure out and participate in this one. Absolutely yes, as we are still on a test. And talking about GRVT, as you see here, you can go and claim now, if you did participate, your 80 ZK token. So simply click here, plus claim your 20 raffle tickets here if you haven't already. Simply click over here, you will be redirected over here. This is for all the KYC users. This is the first reward for all of you. We got the tickets. Claim our 80 ZK token, your wallet address on which you want to go and be sent it. I will put my address right here. So simply go and copy any address that you got. I'll go and put this one over here, and you will get the 80 token. Are you sure this wallet address is correct? Send it to an incorrect wallet, claim, and that is it. So go and claim your 80 ZK token. I know it's not $10,000. I know it's not $4,000, but it is still something. And GRVT are going to have their GRVT token, proper token airdrop, not the ZK airdrop, for everybody that trades and does all of the, trade to earn and all of them. So the link will be down below for you to go and do it. And you will be redirecting here to the perpetual. As you see, I am also participating in this airdrop, as I have already long in and short in the market with GRVT. And I'm doing here, for example, the Ethereum USD, $9 profit, close the position, confirm. Of course, you got to make transactions. So small amount, but consistent amount, especially in generating fees via the closing of this position. And then you can go and open any other one that you want, for example, Solana, Ethereum, or whichever. I will go in here and open let's go and open a 50x on Solana. Of course, I'm no financial advisor. Please do not copy me what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing it for farming the airdrop. And as we see here, open another position and let's see how it goes. Talking about another free airdrop, you probably are in it, but if you're new to the channel, Plaza Finance, in my opinion, is the best free airdrop to go and join on base. All you gotta do, through the link down below, you will come over here, get the test tokens. You can get it once a day, and then go to earn and leverage. Are you still early to go and do it, or is it too late? You're still early. I have participated just now with my second wallet, so I've started farming it with my second wallet as well, as it is free. And all you gotta do, once you get your test token, get over here, earn and leverage. Buy and sell the token. As you see over here, we go and sell. And how it works is by selling and buying both on earn and leverage. You see here that my point system will go up. So it is a point system base, and it is a very simple thing. The more you do, everybody gets the same point, 4 points per transactions. And the more points you have, it means that the more you utilize the protocol, and it works simply as that. So all you gotta do, earn and leverage, buy and sell. So all of these buttons, and that is it. All you gotta do, pass it around, do a little bit like this. As you see here, for example, 100k, whatever it is, yes, withdraw. This is all testnet, by the way. This is not real money, just so you know, just so you're aware. This is all on a test platform, which it is really, really nice to go and see. We also have then the buy, and we're done for the day. These are the only action that you actually need to go and do in order to do this protocol. So nothing crazy, nothing difficult. Simple as that. Get the more point. The more point, you will also unlock NFTs, and with the NFTs, you will unlock perks for the airdrop. But we are still early. The season 1, it is coming very, very soon, and this is only the preparation. Another one on the Solana ecosystem, as we're talking about the Nodepay airdrop. Yesterday, we talked about the Jupiter airdrop. which you can go and claim, is the Eco Airdrop. I will leave you the link down below. All you gotta do for this one is sign up, as we see over here, and you get points. So simply sign up, then go down to the activity and to the tokens, do a few quests. As we see over here, we got the kind of like the village. So if you want to go and interact with it, I will send you some funds as well. Basically, it's an in and out. As you see here, you can send the token. So let me know your Twitter handle down below, and I will actually go over on my Patreon. I will send out the Solana and the USDC. So join my Patreon. The link is down below for all of the support. It is only $4.99 a month. I will be sending you money. I will be sending you more than the monthly for the Patreon, which is $4.99. I got $6.63. I will top up this one and I will send it to the Patreon member down in the link below. If you wish to support, thank you very much. But here we have it. So all you gotta do is simply join and then go through the activities. So you got the possibility to collect rewards on a daily. You have the possibility to invite friends if you want. The link will be down below for you to go and participate. And then that is it. Simple as that. Sign up, you will be good. And on the top left over here, click it. You will see your rank and your waves. And you got a few quests to go and earn. Check your new post on X, for example. You go and do this quest over here. You go and check it. You can go and leave it a nice like. And you get 100 points. And that is it. So simply click on continue to do the point mission and all. Let's go and claim the Nodepay Airdrop, which we have over here. And I will leave you the link down below. And here we got it that to go and claim it, you got this website. Now, you could be facing troubles, you could be facing problems. As we see over here, the page is very laggy and a lot of people are trying to connect. And in this case, I'm not able to connect to the browser. So let me also know if your problem persists down below. We see here that a lot of people have failed to verify the browser. This is within also another browser, which it is simply failed to verify, just like the one I have over here. A lot of people have it failed to verify, so there could be a problem. You could be facing some problem. People are not showing the token allocation. People cannot claim it, as we see over here. Requested block. So could be a little bit, but the link is down below. And all you're gonna do once you go into this page is to simply click on claim, have some Solana in your wallet. And then from claiming, you can go over here to their page, and also you can submit the wallet or stake over here. You can stake your token, go and stake the token to the Nodepay Foundation stacking possibility. As we see over here, we go and connect with the wallet that you want, and you are all good to go. So definitely something to go and do, something to go and consider, but make sure to go and claim it and let me know your allocation down in the comments below. Through this website, try and reload, try again, try 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Try throughout the whole day to go and do this possibility of connection. Talking about a non-free airdrop, this is Lanka. Now, Lanka, you probably heard about it, and it is a bridging mechanism. I believe Lanka will be bigger than Owelto, will be bigger than D-Bridge, will be bigger than all of them, because they have a real interest in doing something great. You can go and check them out over on Twitter for all the information, but all you gotta do is simply bridge. For example, Arbitrum to Base, Ethereum to Ethereum, and that is it. Simply do the swaps. While you do the swaps, as we see over here, for example, let's go and do the Arbitrum to Base swap, which it is very much straightforward. Go and send 0.1. And as you see over here, we can go from, let me go and send actually $500, because if you go over here to the rewards tab, you will be opening the Concerno app. And these are 2 different airdrops. By farming the Lanka airdrop, you can farm the Concerno airdrop as well, as we see over here with the points, and you got a few quests. Part of this quest is like swap $1,000 or swap 500 total volume, verify the quest done, and I receive 35 points. Then you got the other quest, which is like $5,000, and then we got the $10,000. So there's different one. It is at the very beginning, so it is a little bit slower compared to the other one. But, you know, early stages is the best way to go and interact. So make sure to go and do it. Very simple, bridging Ethereum to Base. If it doesn't load, reload the page, close it, and go and do it. But it is a simple swapping mechanism, as we see right here. Very easy. And then here you will have the possibility, as we see here, begin the swap. And you can do the same with the 1 Ethereum, 0.1 Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum, whichever you want. As you see, just give it the time of day to load, and it will work. So as we see here, $1.25. Begin the swaps. You're good to go by doing this one. You interact with the protocol, you get the transactions, you get all of the funding that you need from Arbitrum to Base. the transaction will happen, and then you will have the possibility to go and grab yourself, as we see over here, the point for, let's say, this one over here, the 1000. As we see, verified quest. This has completed now, and so verify the quest. Before I couldn't, and now I grab it. Claim the reward, 50 tokens extra plus the transaction token, and you go and scale the leaderboard. Simple as that. Following up, we have a new registration for an airdrop, as we see over here from my friend Enigma. We got 52 million funding in 2 rounds, and all you gotta do is a form to go and complete. So I will leave you the link down below. And all of this will also be added to the Patreon page for all the airdrops that we're farming right now, that the Patreon members, the supporters, the paid Patreon members have the possibility to have a PDF with over 150 airdrops that we are currently farming. Following up, we have also a very important update on Abstract, which it is going to come very, very soon, and they are going to release the mainnet, and you have a tire system, you have a wallet system, and this will be XP based, which means airdrop is coming even more. So definitely keep an eye on that, yet not out to the public. Following up, we have an update over on the Rainbow wallet. If you do utilize it, I will leave you the link down below. And here they have said soon all true believers will be rewarded. But do you want to know what's the best way to be a believer? To participate in the airdrop. So they are going to have the airdrop. So if you do, and if you want, I will leave the link to go and download the, as we see over here, we got the Rainbow wallet down below. I will leave you the link to go and grab it. Make sure to do all of the transactions. Make sure to go and grab your tokens. Make sure to grab everything. And by utilizing this one, you can claim your points here and you are good to go. So definitely something to go and do, in my opinion. Absolutely. Yes. We see here, Lanka finished 46 seconds from Arbitrum to base. It is not the fastest, it is probably not the cheapest, but it will be the biggest rewarding airdrop. They already have announced the airdrop for the early users, and as of right now, you are still early, so definitely go and participate in it. Following up, we have the claiming of the Wormhole airdrop, or better, the stacking rewards for the Wormhole users. As we see over here, you can go and claim your Wormhole rewards. I am not participating. I did not even receive the Wormhole airdrop back in the days, nor I have staked it. The token has plummeted, yes. But if you did stake it, if you were a believer of the Wormhole airdrop, make sure to go and check your rewards, because now you can go and grab it. The link will be down below, and there is not much else to do. Simply stake, claim your rewards if you stake them, and you're good to go. Next time, we got 12 hours until the snapshot of one airdrop. At this point, you probably have about 10 to 8 hours. You can still participate, and all you gotta do is burn your Maya token if you participate in this one, as we see over here. Yet Maya to go and burn 0. If you have them, make sure to go and do it. Very, very important. You then have the possibility to mint for 2 Sui or $10 the NFT, which, as we see over here, 40% will be allocated, 10% will be distributed evenly amongst Charta NFT holders, and this is where you get your NFT on the Sui ecosystem if you wish to go and participate. More information in the Patreon down below. Following up, we also have the WOOF distribution. If you have been participating in it, make sure to go and check your wallet. Not much to be claiming here. Everything has been sent, receiving, and everything has been sent to your wallet. If you did participate, let me know in the comments below as well. Over on BitGet, as we see here, which we had participated in it and we had insert our wallet. If you have it on BitGet, it will be there and soon to be released as a TGE, as a price action. So make sure to go and check that out. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and all your allocation as well. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.